Take 120.
This is a demonstration we do to show how effective our encapsulator is, our Encapsulator RX, against baking soda. What we've done is we've taken an ounce of sulfuric acid and we place it in this beaker and in this dish and in this beaker. And then we've taken another container here and we've put in baking soda, which we have placed inside of this glove and then taped it onto this beaker. Then our product we put in this glove and didn't tape it on. So I'm going to take the Encapsulator RX now and I'm going to sprinkle it on the sulfuric acid that we have in this bowl, so you can see how it works. Then what I'm going to do now is take the glove that we've placed the product in and I'm going to extend it and let the product fall down on the sulfuric acid that's in the bottom. One thing that we have with the Encapsulator RX, as opposed to about everything else you find on the market, it does an off gas. When we say that, you can see the balloon does not inflate. And so it just sits down at the bottom and it begins to absorb or encapsulate the sulfuric acid that's in the bottom. Now I will take the same with the baking soda and I will put it down inside of, and you can immediately see that it begins to off gas and bubble and expand. And if the temperature is hot outside, it will actually blow the balloon up with the amount of product that we put in there. And again, looking at ours over here, with the longer dwell time that we've had for it to encapsulate it, there's still no off-gassing. With the baking soda on the same amount of the sulfuric acid, you can see it's still foaming and bubbling down at the bottom. And ours, as you can see here, and as you can see here, does not off-gas. It doesn't bubble. The problem you have when this starts to off-gas and bubble like that, you've taken a liquid acid and then turned it into a gaseous acid, and then it just goes everywhere. We're showing this to show you how it is contained, but if you have a spill someplace and you put baking soda on it, you have a major problem. Most of the acid manufacturers say to use baking soda on a spill. We suggest that you use Encapsulator RX that not only encapsulates it, but does an off-gas. The Encapsulator RX that we put on the sulfuric acid here in the dish to show you how well it picks it up is that I'm going to tip this forward and show you how much of this product is left from what we started with. Okay, I'm going to pour that down in here. And this is how much is left, probably half of it. Okay, then this shows you that the encapsulator has picked this up, and I'm going to now remove this and show you what we have done here. And here is your acid spill on either side, and the part that it doesn't use, it doesn't need. And this is what we have left. Same amount, and so this is what we have. And there's your spill. And if you look over here, we still have acid gas in the balloon.